Hi, I'm Sonam. I'm a holistic nutritionist, and today I'm going to talk about workouts because I personally feel no matter how clean food are you eating, no matter how restricted diet that you are doing, workout is absolutely important. It is very crucial that some form of workout is a part of your life. And I don't intend to say that you do 2 hours of weight training, or you're running a marathon, but at least 40 minutes of dedicated workout in any form, whatever suits you. Could be yoga, could be running, could be walking, could be exercise, skipping, anything, but it has to be a part of your lifestyle. Why? Because what only not it does is that it helps you to reach your health goal, which could be anything from weight loss to rectifying a disease. But it also calms you down. It releases a lot of happy hormones. So I think in the current situation where it's getting longer and longer, it's been almost 3 months that we are all home. Working out in our homes is absolutely an essential thing, and I think a lot of people are doing an excellent job in this. I see so many people posting videos on Instagram and Facebook, so it's a very good thing to see that people are managing exercising. But what is happening is, and why I'm doing this video, if you are one of those who is facing problem of bloating while they work out, or an experience of inflammation or discomfort after a workout session, then this video is for you. So listen it to the end, because I'm sure it's gonna help you. Because a lot of people get discouraged and they stop working out because they feel discomfort in their stomach, or they feel heavy, or the weight is not falling down on the scale, rather it's going up. So if you think you can relate to this, listen to this. So why we bloat at times after a workout session. Point A. So when we are working out, we breathe. And when we breathe in the wrong manner, which is when we are inhaling an oxygen in the wrong manner, the oxygen goes down in our system and it gets stuck in our stomach and our intestine, making us feel gastric, making us feel heavy, and suddenly you feel your stomach is bloating out and you're burping and you're not feeling comfortable, and you feel discouraged that after such a good heavy workout session I am not feeling comfortable, कि मैंने इतनी एक्सरसाइज करी और मुझे बिल्कुल अब अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. सो पॉइंट ए इज, जब आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो, आपकी ब्रीदिंग स्किल, आपकी सांस लेने की क्रिया बहुत सही होनी चाहिए. वेदर आप योगा कर रहे हो, वेट ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो, रनिंग कर रहे हो, वॉकिंग कर रहे हो, सो योर इनहेलिंग एंड exhaling procedure should be right. And when you will do that right, 80% of you will not face the problem of bloating after a workout session. Second point, dehydration. बहुत सारे लोग पानी पीना भूल जाते हैं, पीते ही नहीं हैं, शायद पता भी नहीं है कि कितने ग्लास पीते हैं. सो इफ़ यू आर वन ऑफ दोज who are dehydrated, जो पानी नहीं पी रहे हैं, you will end up having stomach cramps, gastric, bloating while you're working out. So drinking water is very important in the right manner. Now what comes is, a lot of people over drink water when they're working out. So if you're working out and you're drinking water too fast, what will happen? Your stomach will bloat. You probably will feel another layer on your stomach. So drinking water in the right manner, that is to drink it slow while you're working out, before the workout, during the workout, and after the workout, has to be in the right manner, so that your body fluids are used in the right manner, and while you are working out, you don't feel bloated. So make sure that your water intake is taken care. Next point is, because we are all in the in the lockdown situation, and a lot of people are doing work from home, a lot of them are mothers, and whatever profile you have, a lot of unexpected things comes. Days are not going as planned, so we don't have a fixed timing of workout. So a lot of people are working out after heavy meals, so don't do that. Don't place your workout after a lunch, breakfast, or a dinner. At least 2 hours of gap has to be there, whatever time you're working out. Because what happens when you work out after a heavy meal, after a proper meal, your body gets confused whether the body needs to use the digestion system or the body needs to use the muscles for working out. And trust me, your energy levels will be lower for working out if you're working out after a heavy meal. So keep a gap of 2 hours. And another thing, try to have a fixed timing for your workout. Once in a while it's okay, you have an office call, or whatever is the reason, but try to keep a fixed time of workout, whether it's a morning time, evening time, night time, whatever time you're fitting in. keep a fixed time for your workout. Now another very interesting point is, if you're a newbie, if you've just started working out, or you're working out after a gap of 10 days, 12 days, you will face some bloating, you will face some kind of body aches or body cramps, because body takes time to get used to the exercises that you're doing. So don't leave exercise, because you suddenly had weight gain on the scale the next morning. I think 70% of the people, when they start working out, whether they're doing it for the first time or whether they are doing after a gap, their weight goes up by a few grams and kilos. Please don't punish yourself by completely stop going for workouts because the next day the weight didn't fall. I think that's the worst thing that you can do. So if you put these things in the right places, that is, keep the correct timing for your workout, your meal timings, your water intake, your breathing exercises, I think you will not face the problem of bloating while you're working out. And don't go very high on all these protein shakes, but I think a lot of people are going. Keep everything in moderation. Don't go very high on such things. So I think that will really help you in solving the problem of bloating. So workout is a must, I've always said that, but don't. So workout is a must, okay? So don't do like crazy, don't go crazy on workouts like 2 hours and 3 hours. Try to place them in a way where you are comfortable, and keep watching my videos, because my next video will be on constipation. And in this current situation, I think every one of us is taking some kind of Churan or Dawai or Isabgol, and God knows what many things are available in the market. So keep watching, and I will help you out if you're facing constipation. Eat smart with me and keep working out. Thank you.